Welcome to the 15th Congress of Coaching Psychology 2025, which is being held this week from the 6th to the 10th of October.
We're pleased to be promoting and celebrating International Coaching Psychology Day on Friday, the 10th of October 2025. More information is available at www.icpd.isfcp.info.
A big thank you to the professional bodies around the world supporting the Congress.
Our thanks to the Corporate Congress sponsors of the 15th International Congress of Coaching Psychology, 2025.
This week, from the 6th to the 9th of October, each day we're running one workshop, and on Wednesday we're also running a relaxation club. There's still spaces available on these workshops and events, so please consider signing up now. Thank you.
On day 5 of the Congress, that's the 10th of October 2025, the networking room will be open at 8:40. All of these are British summer times. Congress starts 15 minutes later at 8:55 and will finish at 18:30.
Congress administration team include Tracy and Claire. You can contact Tracy all week via email, and on Friday both Claire and Tracy will be in the networking room and help desk. So they're there all day on Friday, and you can contact them and ask them any queries you have, whether it's about entering the breakout rooms, the various webinars. They'll have the links available if necessary. In the unlikely event of a Congress attendee becoming distressed by any lecture or presentation they have attended or interaction with another attendee, they can speak to our coaching and counselling psychologist, Kasia Szymanska, who can be contacted via our Zoom help desk and networking room. You'll be offered the opportunity to speak to Kasia in a Zoom breakout room. We look forward to seeing you at the Congress this week.